Hello guys, it's Daniel and I'm back with another new video today. Today's video is going to be about X verification for BNB Smart Chain distribution. Okay, this is actually done so that you'll be able to further receive your ICE coins on your several wallets. All right, so the one you did the other time was KYC Step 2. That is for account verification, but this very one right now is for the BNB Smart Chain distribution. As you can see right here, it says receive your BNB Smart Chain ICE coins by verifying your account easily using your existing X profile. Mark the word existing X profile. Now, as we go on with this video, I'm going to be explaining things that you need to pay attention to. All right, because the KYC Step 2 video I did was very clear, yet some people got it wrong. A lot of people passed it, right? A lot of people watched that tutorial and they passed, but I found out that a lot of people got a lot of things wrong and they were flooding my DMs with different messages asking me how and where did they go wrong. Meanwhile, I spotted a lot of errors, a lot of things they did wrong. All right, so this video is one you should pay attention to so that you would not make mistake. Okay, so what you are meant to do is to click on continue right now. Once you see this verification pop up on your screen, go ahead and click on continue and then follow my lead. Now once you click on continue, you'll be redirected to the next section of this very app, which says verify with X. Now there are two things you are instructed to do. Now do not get it twisted, don't get it mixed up. Listen, step 1 is to tap the link here to open your X, to open our X post directly. All right, now step 2 is the one you even need to pay more attention to. All right, and what you're meant to do here is to like and repost it with quotes using the exact text below. So if you click on that very link at the top right there, the next thing you are meant to do is to like the post you will be seeing. After liking that post, you repost that post. All right, and then you copy the link of your very own post and paste it on this very app. That is how it works. All right, if you even need an example, then click on show example and it will show you example of how the repost should look like. So first thing first, we are going to tap on link 1. We're going to tap on that. That one you see there is actually clickable. All right, that is what is going to redirect us to their X post, to their Twitter post. Let me use the term that most people are familiar with. So if you click on one right now, it's going to redirect us to Twitter. Don't just go ahead and click on continue. All right, let me go ahead and click on continue right now so that you see the message that will pop up right now. As you can see, it says confirmation. Please follow the instruction and make sure that you tapped on the link in the first step to open our X post. You see that, right? So that's not what you're meant to click on first. So tap on that first link. All right, I just tapped on it right now and it just led me to Twitter, and here is the post we are meant to like and repost. Okay, so as you can see, like and repost it with quotes using the exact text below. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this very link. I'm going to click on that copy icon right now and then head back to S. All right, after I like this post, then I will repost it. All right, so I'm going to like it right now. Click on like. After clicking on like, you click on that retweet, all right, or tweet icon right there, that repost icon, and then click on quote. Note, you click on quote and not repost. All right, the way you repost this is by clicking on quote and not repost. Once you click repost, it will repost directly without any text, but once you click on quote, it will repost with a text. It will ask you for a text, and when it asks you for a text, you will have to come back. All right, minimize your app, come back to your ICE app and copy this very text right here, head back to your Twitter app and then paste that in there. All right, paste that in there, and let me just cancel this so that you see the full post. All right, now this is how it looks like. All right, so what you're meant to do right now is to click on reposts, all right, and wait to see a successful message. As you can see, your post was sent. That's how you know you have successfully done or carried out this task. Okay, so what do we do next? What we do next is to head back to our ICE app. Now you can click on continue. All right, you can now click on continue. So as you can see, it says, did you like the correct post, and reposted it with quotes using the exact text provided as in the example. Of course, we can now click on confirm, right? Yeah, because we actually did that right now. So once you click on confirm right now, it's going to redirect you to this very to the next page, which would ask us right here. As you can see, it says to complete your verification, please paste the link to the post where you completed the previous steps. Ensure the link is correct. Now, here what step 3 says: paste the link of your post below. You see, this is obviously where a lot of people get it wrong. All right, paste the link to your post and not their post. Most people end up copying their post and sending the link back to them, which doesn't make sense. All right, let's head back to my Twitter app right now. All right, let's head back to our Twitter app and then let's head to our profile. Again, you want to make sure your Twitter account is up to date. Now, once you are in your Twitter home screen, just click on that icon right there, your profile icon, and then click on profile. All right, once you click on profile, you're going to appear on your profile, and as you can see right here, this post was just created 1 minute ago, a minute ago. All right, so let's scroll down right now, and here is what you click on: the share button right here. Once you click on that share button, you're going to see this slide that would come up and ask you to either bookmark, copy link, or share via other social media. And what you're meant to do is click on copy link. As easy as ABC. Just copy that link to this very post you reposted. All right, and then head back to your eyes app and then paste that link in there. Okay, paste the link in there and you click verify. So I'm going to head down right now and click on verify. The moment you do that, you're going to see this countdown timer. It's not going to get to 1 before it verifies you. All right, if you do it correctly, it won't do that. All right, so we just give it a few seconds and I believe this is going to verify. And as you can see right here, verification completed. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your verification. You are now eligible for the BNB Smart Chain distribution. All right, this was how I passed KYC step 1, step 2, and now this. It's just simple. You just have to follow the instruction. All right, you just have to follow the instruction. Do not use a new Twitter account. It should be an existing Twitter account. Okay, do not just go and create an account right now. If you have an existing Twitter account, use that. If you have no option than to create a Twitter account, fine, create a Twitter account and try it and let's see how it goes. All right, there are some people that created a Twitter account recently and they passed. All right, they got verification complete message just like this. All right, now for those of us who have not been able to pass ICE Network KYC Step 2, I'm going to be creating a video on that very soon. I'm going to tell you whether or not you have missed completely and when to know that you have missed completely. So if you want to watch that very video, you have to stay tuned, right, by subscribing to this channel. I'm also going to be doing a video on the BNB Smart Chain distribution, on how to link your OKX exchange address, because we have been asked not to link the wallet address anymore. That's a new update. All right, how to link your OKX exchange address to save gas fees and how to carry out the whole process. All right, so this is basically, as you can see right there, that's a green badge right there to actually prove to you that I have verified. Although I had unlinked my BNB Smart Chain address that I linked to this very app, because I do not need my ICE coins yet, because I'm having this little issue with OKX Exchange, which I have fixed recently. Yeah, so this is the update I decided to bring to your table this very day. All right, so make sure you follow these steps correctly as I instructed and you'll be good to go. If you're just watching this video for the first time, if you're hearing of ICE for the first time and you intend to join, then you can use my invitation code Danpat. All right, join and become a snowman. Let's build the community together. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then make sure you do so right now so that you don't miss out on any updates I'll be releasing on this channel. Just hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, and I'll be glad to have you in the community. So this is it, guys. I remain your crypto update guy, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.